do ducks change as they develop? Ducks and other birds grow bigger and stronger as they grow. Read on to find out more. First, the mother duck lays her eggs and incubates them for about 28 days. Hatchling. Then the hatchling hatches, comes out of an egg and stays in the nest in its nest to be kept safe and warm. Duckling. Then there is a duckling and it is nearly an adult. Duck. Finally it is a duck and it starts the life cycle all over again.
How do frogs change as they develop? A frog is an amphibian. Amphibians can go on land and swim in water. Read on to find out just how frogs go through their life cycle. Egg. First, the female frog lays her eggs in a lake or pond. Tadpole. Next, a tiny tadpole emerges from the egg and swims around. Froglet. Then it starts to grow legs. It grows its back legs first. It still has a tail. Adult frog. Then the tail goes back in and it is ready to start their life cycle all over again.
Duck life cycle. If you want to know how duck life cycle has passed, read on to find out just how ducks change and develop. First, the female duck lays her eggs in a nest near water. Next, the hatchling cracks out of the eggs. Soon a duckling follows its mother to the water to survive and to find food and water. Adult duck. Finally the duckling transforms into an adult duck. How do ducks grow from eggs to duck? A duck is another type of bird and it grows bigger and stronger. Read on to find out how hatchlings change to adult ducks. Egg. First, the female duck makes a brown nest near the water. The female has to keep the eggs warm. Hatchling. Next, the hatchlings have yellow, soft fur to keep it warm while it's in the nest. Duckling. Next, the ducklings ducklings are a bit more independent, but they still need a mother. Adult duck. Finally, the duck is all grown up and to start the life cycle all over again. How do frogs change when they develop? And frog is an amphibian. Frog can jump on land but are mainly in water. Read on to find out how frogs change as they develop. Egg. First, the mother frog lays an egg in a pond or lake. These eggs are known as frog spawns. Tadpole. Next, tiny tadpoles hatch from a teeny egg. Froglet. Then the tadpole starts to grow its front and back legs. Adult frog.
Okay.
Finally, the adult frog is fully grown. How do butterflies change as they develop? Butterflies are a type of animal that goes through metamorphosis and adulthood. Read on to find out more. Egg. First, it all starts with an egg. The female butterfly lays her eggs on a leaf. Caterpillar. Next, the caterpillar emerges from the egg. Pupa. Then, when the caterpillar is fully grown, it forms a pupa. Adult butterfly. The metamorphosis and adult butterfly claws its new wings. How do humans develop? Do you want to know how humans develop? Read on to find out how humans go from baby to adult. First, a baby is born. They need a lot of adult care and are not even close to being independent. Next, there will be a toddler. Toddlers are a bit independent, so they do a little tiny bit of stuff on their own, but still need a bit of adult care. After that, a child will grow with the toddler and will do a lot of stuff independent now. They may start to like computer games, so make sure they don't go on it all the time because they'll get square eyes. Next, a teenager will grow from the child. They are nearly fully independent now. They do nearly fully stuff on their own. Finally, it's the adult. Adults have their own baby, go to work, and start the life cycle all again.
How do frogs change as they develop? A frog has 4 parts to its life cycle and is an amphibian. First, there is eggs. The eggs are black and after a while the eggs start to crack open and then out comes a tadpole. Tadpoles. Next, there are tadpoles. When the egg has cracked open, they are tadpoles. Tadpoles are black, just the same as the eggs froglet. Then and then they start to turn green and start to grow back. Frog. Their tail finally pushes in, and then the life cycle starts all over again.